How to find saved hotels on Priceline. Priceline is a popular online travel agency that helps users find and book discounted travel services, including hotels, flights, car rental, and vacation packages. In order to get saved hotels on Priceline, first you have to log into your Priceline account. Begin a search for hotels in the same location you previously explored. Once you have your search results, click on the filter option. Look for the option to filter by favorites or saved hotels. This will display all the hotels you previously marked as favorites during your earlier searches. That's it. Thanks for watching.